So try to unbox this package that we got. So Trat, this is our new vacuum. This is a wet vacuum. So I have one prior to. But I'm gonna use it for the business, and then this is for my house. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. We're unboxing this right now. So let's get into it. So this is it, chat. So now we're gonna unbox this bad guy here for using to clean the floor. There. So here is the charger for it. I would just go take out. Oh, this is the chemical that comes with it. So removes tough spots and stains. So yeah, that. And this is the brush that also comes in it as well, to clean maybe the stuff that is in there. I got this from Amazon. They have their Prime Day deal. So I made the purchase because I've been watching this. Oh! Whoopsie! Whoopsie! Okay, boss man. Trat! Trat! Look at it, Trat!
What is it?
So I guess this is the handle for the vacuum. Yes.
Is this a brand new one?
Yeah. And this is the stand that it's gonna sit on while it's like either charging or you're not using it. So we're gonna pop in the handle here. There you go. Tribute! I never see somebody excited over cleaning gadgets yet. Like seriously, I have a problem. And then this coming out for whatever reason, I don't know what this. Oh, I guess this is to store the stuff while it's sitting down. But Trat, we're gonna try it out. Let's go! So Trat, me know say you have to take off this. This is where the dirty water will go. Let's open it and look inside there. Oh. My bubble gum, oh this is hard for open there. Whoops.
Whoa.
Okay. I same thing like the Tinico one, but I have I use currently.
The Tinaco.
Yeah.
Which one? Oh, I think I see the Tinaco.
How do you open this one? Ah! So this is, oh, you open this part and you're gonna put the liquid that comes in it in here. On the thing here it says fill clean water tank with warm water and add 2 or 1 capsule of cleaning solution. So Trat, see, we have fill it up and then we're gonna add the water and come back. Okay, so now we're gonna pop this in and we're gonna turn on our vacuum. Oh, Trat! Trat it, I get the floor good. Trat. Let me stay in our phone perimeter. Oh, Trat! Well, I'm used to these. I'm so much used to it. But look there, you see that stain there right there up on the ground? Let's wash and see. Wait I go do. Oh, so you can control the dial from right here. So turn it up higher or lower. And you have the self-cleaning feature right here. So when we're done, we're going to do the self-cleaning feature. Trat! See the trat! What? Trat! You know me spend so much time cleaning, so I need all the all the things to clean my house because I am that girl who has a whole company for run and a young toddler. Well, not a toddler, but a 6-year-old. So you see it, I get out the stain name? Yes, that is it, Trat. Whoa. See the old one there? Well, it's not old, but I go carry it by the other house. I use it over by the other house. So how long it take for lock off Trat? Whoa! So Trat, this is how the thing look. Now, the dirty water tank. See water there? Can you see that? So this really helps. So you just throw this in the toilet and rinse it out and you're good to go. Alright, love. Tell me, would you like one of these? It wasn't so bad. You can get it on the Prime deal. And I'll add the link down in the description box. So go check out that Trat.